Hello and welcome back everybody to our channel. In today's video, we are going to check the available storage left on our Android device. If you're also wondering how to do so, you may follow up this step-by-step guide for that and make sure to like this video and also subscribe to our channel. So the first thing we can do is we can open up our settings app on our device. And then once you open up settings, you may just go ahead and find battery and device care. For that, you may scroll down and go to this battery and device care section on your settings app. After you go over here, it will show you your battery, your storage, your memory, and anything else. So you need to tap on storage within the battery and device care section. And then when you tap on it, there we go. Here they will show you your storage details. Here you will be seeing your total used and available storage space. You can just go ahead and tap on different categories available, such as apps, images, videos, or audio, to see what's taking up the most space. So if you think documents, you can tap on documents, and these are the documents available on my device. You can view it up. So right now I have total 64, but I have already consumed about 50.24 GB. So you can also look out for the storage left. I have about 14 GB left now. And apart from that, we can go to recycle bin or any other large files and etc. And that will totally show us the available storage left on our Android device. And that is it. So if you'd also like to view your available storage on your Android device, it is pretty quick and easy. You may follow up the steps. If you think your storage is not enough, you can try deleting the unnecessary files and folders. That should help you clear out your storage. So that is it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.